Okay, next part is coming along, the portrait here. Yep, lots of dots. Making me think back to junior high school years, my art teacher, Martin Landfeld, who went down south each summer with the voting rights projects. I had an English teacher also who was very influential on me, Jim McDermott. I don't know if he's still around. And thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedback. Anyway, thinking of language, actually, if I hadn't become an artist, I would have become a writer. But I've authored about 30 op-eds, opinion columns over the years, and dozens of letters to the editor that have been published as well. And just thinking about language always intrigues me. Drawing thousands of dots makes one dotty. That's probably an old-fashioned term now. Dotty, you can look that up. Okay, thank you. Appreciate your feedback. Yes. She's a great art critic over there, Dr. Chi. Director, curator, ornithologist, and art critic at the Berkey Working Museum. Along with lives with Prime Minister Mazel, the parakeet there. All right, good show. To be continued. Got to do the ears next. Both eyes, forehead, and then the hair. And then still got the neck here to finish. The tie, it looks like he was wearing. And like a nice sport jacket. All right, coming along.